Are you nervous?
I'm a little nervous.
Nervous?
About doing your first cut on your brand new Cricut machine?
Scared?
That's right, scared.
Well, I'm here to help you with that. Let's get to it. Now that we've unboxed our maker, let's get it ready to do our first cut. Here, you're just going to open it where that little indent is. Lift the lid up. Wow! And we can see inside. Just make sure you remove all the foam pieces that are in there and any tape that's in there. Also, we're just going to take a look at our blade here. This is the blade that comes with the machine. I'll just put that back. And that's where the other attachments go, like your pen. And here we have some storage. You can keep all your additional blades in there.
A storage hanger.
And any tools. And here you can put your iPad when you're using that to cut your designs.
Using recovered UFO technology.
Now let's just close it up for a moment and look at the back. Here's where you attach your cords.
Is it plugged in?
And it is wireless. So you might need to use the cord once or twice just to run the firmware. Otherwise, you usually use it wirelessly.
These come with power cords?
Okay, let's open it up and get it ready for our first cut. We'll turn it on. Now we're in Cricut Design Space, so make sure you've downloaded that onto your desktop or your iPad.
Sir, I think he's downloaded. Wait.
And I'm just going to sign into my account. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one. So we're just going to sign in. And we are going to select our machine. So we'll select that. We'll look for the Cricut Maker. And it's just reminding you to at least have 10 inches space behind your machine so the mat can go in and out.
I hope you leave enough room for my fist.
And I've plugged it into the wall outlet. I've powered it on.
Austin Powers, I presume.
And we're going to use the USB cable to connect it to our computer.
I can't find any connection.
So it's important to do this on your desktop first before using your iPad. We just click continue. And let's activate the maker. Just click the checkbox and click activate.
Activate the machine.
And the setup is complete. Click next. And I'm not going to sign up for Cricut Access at this time, but if you wish to, go ahead. Now we're going to do a test cut, and I'm going to choose this little flower here. So click on that and click next. And I'm going to grab a piece of cardstock and place it on my mat. And here I'm just going to use my lighter grip mat and a piece of blue cardstock. And just make sure it's good and stuck on your mat.
It's stuck!
And prepare for the cut. Just check your blade and make sure it's placed properly, that it's in the holder correctly. Push the mat under the guides and towards the rollers. Once it's against the rollers, you press the flashing button to load your mat. When the button starts flashing, press go. Once it's done cutting, you just click the unload button and your test is complete. So let's take a look at our design. Peel it off your mat. And to prevent it from curling, you can peel the mat off the cardstock instead of the cardstock off the mat. So just a little tip there. And there you go. That's our first cut on the Cricut Maker. Congratulations! If you need any more help, don't hesitate to contact me. Just leave a comment below and I'll help you as much as I can. Click here for the next video, and don't forget to click subscribe and hit that little bell to get notified of my upcoming videos. And also click the thumbs up. That way I can continue to make more crafty videos just for you.